Hello and welcome to the FE Mechanical Preparation Exam for Circuits, Chapter Electricity, Practice Exam number 20. This is a very similar exercise that we did at the question number 5. So basically we need to find the current in the following circuit. And I'm going to bring the equations and formulas that they are going to provided in the handbook. And this is, we are going to use the Kirchhoff voltage law that basically says that the sum of the voltage around a closed loop in any circuit must be equal to 0. Basically, all voltage rises equals to the voltage drops. But what I like to do is to put voltage rises minus voltage drops equals 0. So I'm going to assume a direction of the current, like it's going to be like this. And this is the current. So I'm going to start from one point and I'm going to go around the circuit. So the first thing that I found is V1, and because it's going to from minus to plus, it's going to be positive. So plus V1, I don't need to put the plus, but I put it just to make sure that it's positive. And then the next one, I'm going to have R1 that is going to be negative because I'm moving in the same direction of the assuming current. So it's going to be negative R1I, that is the current. And then V2, that is negative. This symbol should be here. It's going to be negative because it's go from plus to minus, so minus V2. Then the next one is R2 is going to be negative again because I'm moving in the same direction that I assume the current is flowing, so minus R2I. And the same thing for R3 minus R3I equals 0. Now I'm going to rearrange some terms. V1 minus I times R1 plus R2 plus R3 minus V2 equals 0. Another arrangement, V1 minus V2 equals I times R1 plus R2 plus R3. And the next rearrangement is going to be V1 minus V2 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3 equals I. That is the current. So basically I'm going to put the numbers into the equation. I equals V1, that is 24 volts, minus 12 volts, that is V2, and R1 plus R2 plus R3, R1 is 20, plus R2 20, plus 40, everything in ohms. And basically I'm going to have 12 divided by 80, 12 volts divided by 80 ohms, and the total number is 0.15 amperes. And this is the answer B. And that's all. So thank you very much and stay tuned for more FE Mechanical Preparation Exam videos.